Hey everybody, and welcome to David's Garage. Today I'm going to be doing a shorter unboxing than usual of these Urban Wolf Club boots that I just got. These are the Axeman boot. Now I already did an unboxing of the Axeman boot, but this Axeman boot I asked him for a gusseted tongue, so I just wanted to show you guys really quickly. This is what a gusseted tongue looks like on the Urban Wolf Club boots. So here's the Axeman boot that I ordered from Urban Wolf Club Boots. I asked him to do gusseted tongue, and then I also asked him to not do the logo on the boots. So yeah, this is the boots. This is what they look like. This Axeman boot is different than mine because I didn't change the eyelets. This one comes with a cap toe. It's a true cap toe. And yeah, I just really wanted to show you guys this gusseted tongue because on my first unboxing video, I did see someone mentioned on the gusseted tongue that they wish that Urban Wolf Club boots offered a gusseted tongue, and so I also, kind of wanted a gusseted tongue too because I do plan on wearing these boots for work. So I reached out to Urban Wolf Club Boots on Instagram, and I asked them if it was possible for them to do a gusseted tongue, and they said sure, yeah, no problem. They didn't charge me anything extra. So yeah, here's the gusseted tongue. Looks like it's gusseted up until the 5th eyelet, 1 2 3 4 5, which is actually pretty good. That seems to be like on par with other companies who do partially gusseted tongues. I think this looks awesome. Really happy with that. Oh, and look on this one. So I think this is their, I'm not sure what they call this leather, but this is just the Axeman boot in their brown leather. It feels like a nubuck. Actually, it looks really nice. I didn't do any of the other changes that I asked for on my previous Axeman boot, like the eyelets or the lining. This one is fully lined, and I didn't add more speed hooks. But yeah. There you guys go. Here's a good look at it. It's really nice, actually. For $150, I mean, this is just the best deal on the internet for boots. I can't recommend Urban Wolf Club enough. But if you're looking for like a P&W boot, I wouldn't put these against P&W boots. If you're looking for some finishing that's like up to Grant Stone standards, I would not put the finishing up against Grant Stone. But still, I mean, just a really good looking boot, good quality, lots of leather under your foot. Just wanted to show you guys this boot from Urban Wolf Club Company. This is the Axeman boot with their cap toe and their brown leather. And just wanted to really just show off this gusseted tongue and just see how it turned out. And yeah, looks nice. Look at that. And then here's this one. Yeah, this is a nice leather. I think I might actually prefer this one over the burgundy. I like that it's a true cap toe. And it's also really thick for a cap toe, really long. But yeah, I got them in the same size, so I'm not going to do a try on in this video. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Urban Wolf Club Company looks like they will do gusseted tongues, and so I just wanted to show you guys that one. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video.